Students, this is a really neat example. We're going to talk about translations in the coordinate plane, and what's neat is that they've drawn the pre-image for us. So here's the pre-image located at A, B, and C triangle. They've done it, theirs in blue, so let me change colors. I'll do mine in red. And they're telling us what to do. They're saying the image should be this. When it's all said and done, you should take each of the x's and add 3, and then you're going to take each of the y's and subtract 4. Okay, so let's start with point A. Okay, A is currently located at -1, +1. Okay, so to get A prime, this is what I have to do. I have to take A's -1 and add 3 to it. And I have to take A's +1 and subtract 4 from it. Okay, see what we had to do? That's what they're telling us to do with each of the coordinates. So A prime should be located at 2, -3. Okay, so -1 + 3 is 2, and 1 - 4 is -3. So we're going to find 2 and then -3. And here it is. There's my A prime right there. Okay, all right, so let's do the same thing with B. B is located at, looks like -3, +3. So we're going to have to do the same thing with B prime. We're going to follow the same pattern. For my x, it tells me to add 3, and to my y, it tells me to subtract 4. And so that's going to give me -3 + 3 is 0, and 3 - 4 is -1. So that's where B prime is located at 0, -1. And there's B prime. Okay, and then C is currently located, looks like a 0, -4, 0. There we go. So -4, 0. And so to find C prime, I'm going to take the x, which is -4, and add 3 to it. And I'm going to take the y, which is 0, and subtract 4. And that's going to give me C prime as being -1, -4. So -1, -4, and there's my C prime. Okay, and your book says, hey, get a straight edge and connect them. As long as you're not staring at your pencil tip, you will draw a straight line between your letters. Okay, put your pencil on C and look at B prime and draw there. Okay, so this is a translation. So we went right 3 and down 4 for each of the points. Okay, so you can calculate it algebraically that way. Here's another way you could do it. Let me switch colors so you can track me. Okay, so let's say we're going to start here at A. Okay, so I've put it in green so you could see. The pattern is I move along the x. It tells me to go right, +3 means go right 3, and then the y is up and down. Negative sign means go down. So +3 means go right 3, -4 means go down 4. Okay? The pluses and minuses tell you the direction to go. So if you're moving along the x, plus means go right, minus means go left. If you're on the y, plus means go up, minus means go down. Okay, so if you're wondering how did she do that, that's how I do it. All right, so let's count it out. So we go right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I am. Okay, I find that to be a little bit easier, but this is the algebraic way you could do it too. Okay, what I did originally isn't bad or wrong, it's just different. Okay, start at B. Okay, you're going to follow the same pattern. Okay, you're going to go right 3, 1, 2, 3, down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look where I landed. You good so far? And do the same thing with C. Here's C. And then go right 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See there? So there's a couple ways you could look at it. All right. So I showed you 2 ways to solve this problem. I'm going to leave this one for you to solve on your own. And show me your work. I don't care which method you use. It's up to you. If you want to do the math way of doing it, the algebra way, do it. Or if you want to do the shortcut I just showed you here at the end. Okay? If you want to color code, get out your colored pens or pencils and knock yourself out.